Good afternoon, guys. This is May-Trickz. I'm back with a new video, and this time I am going to do an unboxing, which I know y'all really like my unboxing since I did with my Xbox all digital version, but this is something totally different. This is it came in today. My Boost Mobile Samsung Galaxy A10e, if I'm not mistaken, that's what the name of the phone is. So we're gonna open this thing up. So I'll be right back when I show y'all the video. Hold on. God. Anyway, I'm back, guys. I'll open it real quick. Open this damn thing. It's supposed to be a pain in the neck sometimes when you open these type of, boxes, especially if they deliver. There you go. You see. No, this is the A10, excuse me, sorry. This is the Samsung Galaxy A10e. It has a 5.8 HD high definition display screen, 8 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel front camera. It has a 32 gigabyte ROM, 2 gigabyte worth of RAM, and it has a gigahertz of 1.6. So it has a 138 gigahertz processor. Really nice, it got your Bluetooth, it got, your little icons right here in the bottom, your little logos, the branding, as you see, if I can see right here, if I can really, see the phone. I don't want to just rip the shit. Open it like this. I know, guys, it's kind of tough when I do these unboxings. Sometimes it can be a pain in the ass, excuse my language, but hey, sometimes you gotta do. Adios mio. As you see, I dropped the doggone box, but that's not gonna stop us from this, taking this phone out the box. We're gonna keep going. Damn, it's really sticky. No, I hate to open it like that, but I guess the phone is important more than the box. I hate to say that, but it's the truth. Even though my last phone, as you know, the last one I've gotten recently was the Moto E5 Go by Verizon. As you see, I'm with Verizon as well. This phone is pretty good, but this is not the point of me unboxing this phone. This is just one of the phones I recently brought. Anyway, we back to the Galaxy A10. They had the A20, but I was gonna get that phone, but they had a pricing sale, about what, a couple of percent off for the phone. Hold on, guys. And there we go, the Samsung Galaxy A10e. Look how nice this phone is, man. Like, this phone is pretty dope. I mean, I could tell it's a nice phone. Look at the box, goodness sakes. I know y'all can't see my face, but it's okay. There's plenty of videos you're gonna see my face. These damn tape. Get my damn keys. Get something really quick. Need something really sharp to open this damn thing up. Maybe these type of keys would be really valid. Taking so fucking long. Excuse my language, guys. I'm gonna swear, but it's just. This is so annoying. Like,